Hello everyone, this is again Muhammed Aziz, and today we have a very interesting session which is to create our own artificially intelligent application. And so we will try to put some AI into our software and see how this will work. And trust me, it's very easy and it's very interesting because these days everyone is talking about chat GPT, everyone is talking about AI. The people who actually don't believe on it, the people who are against it, they're also very interested in this all scenarios. So let's create an application, see how we can actually put AI into our small application. Okay, so let's start with our bot. And first of all, we need to teach our bot at what we have to do. So I will add some data models here for the greetings first. I will say greetings, and I will say whenever the user will come, how you will basically welcome the user. I will say welcome, hi, hola, what's up. And then when the user will go, I will have something to say to the user when it will go. I will say bye and adding the data model for the bye. Bye bye. See you. Have a good day. These two data models I have added for this for my application to actually learn that what you have to say when someone is coming and when someone is going. And we will choose any of those randomly from this. After that, just add some keywords. This is again another data model I will add. Animal keywords I will search from the user response or the user input. Book, game, I can say now movie. And I will add some responses for my application that how you will respond. Then I will say my favorite animal is horse. I can say my favorite book is XYZ, and I like playing games. And I can say I love Marvel movies. So I have created four data models. I teach my software that these are your greetings, these are your the way you have to say bye, these are the ways that you have to search from the user input the keywords and the responses, the way you have to give to the user. So it can be massive data models, but for now, it's let's keep it simple and yeah, to just understand the concept of this all. And then what we need to do, we should take some input from the user, right? So let's take input. If some user is coming, that we have to take some input, yeah? So let's take the input. User input. So we had no input. I will say, how can I help you? I can say type buy to quit, right? And then there you go. Now here, I will just add my loop. While I can say user input is not equals to buy, just keep going on that we have to ask more questions the user again and again. So here I will go further with another loop which will just analyze the user input for our program. So this is for loop, and in for loop I will use index in range, length, and keywords. And this will find the keywords which we have defined earlier from the user response in our program. What next I need to do, if we found the keyword, if it matches with any of the keyword, I will say keywords index in user input, right? Then what you need to do, you have to say print bot reply as concatenated with responses index, and there you go. So this program will work like that. If I run this program right now, we will see an infinite loop. That loop will never finishes. It will go on and on and on, something like that. Just run it. You see, how can I help you? So type buy to quit. I will say, I like to know your favorite animal. You see, my favorite animal is horse, and it's going on and on and on and something like that. So we have to fix this issue, right? So how we can fix this issue? We can add multiple more. How to say? If the keyword is found or not found, we have to add that logic into our program. So here I will add keyword found false, right? The keyword has been found false, and here we know the keyword has been found, so we will say keyword found equals true, right? So in this area, after the if else, after the for loop, I mean outside the for loop, we can just teach our program to software artificially to store the new keywords. If keyword found false, then what you need to do, you need to add a new keyword. We will store this new keyword from the user. I can say, I don't understand your statement, right? I can say like that, I don't understand your statement, and then in the keyword statement, I don't understand your, I can say keyword. And I will ask the user to actually add this keyword for us. What keyword is it? And then I can add this to our keywords. Keywords dot append new underscore keyword. And same, we have to find same thing for the responses. So new underscore response input for the new keyword, what response you would like. And then we can add this responses dot append new underscore response, right? And then here in after the if statement, I can have this user input again. I will just copy and paste the same thing. You just ask the question again and again, right? The one such thing more, the very important thing here is we didn't make it the lowercase. So what we can do is user input equals user dot input. Uh, sorry, dot lower. And same thing I will do here. It can be customized further, but for now, let's keep it like that. Okay, so you see, we are teaching our software to learn the new keywords as we go further. Now, if I run it, stop and run. So I will say animal. It is saying my favorite animal is horse. For example, if I say my name, Aziz, and it is saying I don't understand your keyword. What keyword is it? My name. And I have to store the response of this keyword, which is Muhammed Aziz. All right, so now next time when I will add the same keyword, my name, you see the bot is answering me Muhammad Aziz. And if I add the by, the program has quit. But one thing is missing here. We are not using these greetings and by. So let's add those greetings and by as well. So for the starting of the program, so we can use print, we can use random dot choice, and I can say is greetings. Whenever the user will come, just randomly pick some of those and say welcome or say hola, say hi to our user. And same here, if the user is quitting, then just say random dot choice, and then we can say bye. So this is a module. It has been already been, you see, imported by automating this PyCharm application at the ID. So now run one and see what will happen. So I'm running it using Hola. I can say, what is my book? Say my favorite book is XYZ. I need to know about today weather. It is saying it doesn't understand the weather keyword, so just add the keyword. I can say weather. Today weather is pleasant. And now next time if I add weather, it will answer me that today weather is pleasant. Now you see our bot is learning from us. And then bye and say have a good day. So this is a very simple application which you see the how we can add data models and teach our program that to behave like a artificially intelligent chatbot. This is the same thing that chatbot is using, but they have a massive data models. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in our next session. Thank you.